Welcome to MxEol Marine Product Review. Today we're reviewing, you may have seen before, our standard stainless steel deck hinge. Very strong, reliable, combined with our 6-inch lanyard. Comes in a pack. Packs are single or packs of 2. Very simple to use. Cam operation, straight through the hole. He drops down, locks in, spring loaded. You attach your lanyard to the side of your boat. You can even put that underneath there. When that is under there, it'll be always close by, you will not lose it. Quality stainless steel, as I said, stainless steel wire, rubber coated, highly polished, screws included, and as usual, put a bit of silicone underneath when you install it. Also, our information card comes in the pack.